Before you begin, remove the base enclosure. Warning: to avoid personal injury and damage to the product, use extreme care not to puncture, twist, or crack the battery. An internal puncture or rupture to the battery has the potential to cause a short, which may result in a thermal event. Removal: remove the two P1 Phillips head screws that secure the battery to the top cover. Grasp the battery and lift up from the connector side to an angle of 30 degrees. Then pull the battery away gently to release it from the securing tabs on the edge of the top cover. Remove the battery. Replacement: tow the battery into the tabs at the edge of the top cover and then lay it onto its alignment pins. Push down firmly on the connector to reconnect it to its socket on the system board. Replace the two P1 Phillips head screws that secure the battery to the top cover.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.